Hey everyone, welcome to replicate.com, or simply Replicate AI. So what exactly is this tool? It's a tool that lets us run AI using an API. Basically, it gives us access to various AI models, right? These can be community created, tailored for specific tasks. You know how image generation models work, where someone tweaks a model to create specific things like anime art, right? Well, that's essentially what Replicate AI allows us to do. Here they seem to show us a bit about the costs and such. Let's check out the pricing, shall we? Look, here we have the pricing information. Public models. I think that it says you only pay for what you use on Replicate. Some models charge for hardware and time, others for input and output. Got it? For example, input is what you send and output is what you get, okay? Like with Flux, 1.1 comma, you'd pay 4 cents per image, which is pretty cheap compared to other tools, right? Anthropic charges $3 per million tokens. Well, that's pricey. It's expensive, isn't it? But hey, if it's Claude 3.7, I should also mention that a million tokens, it's not that bad, but considering it's just Claude, not a specialized version for a cursor-like app, you know? It's just Claude, so it seems expensive to me. DeepSeek R1 is pricier than Claude 3. Okay. Oh, but the output is cheaper, right? So DeepSeek R1 is actually cheaper. You need to think about it like this. If you input, I want a papaya, okay? That's an input of just 3 words, right? Literally. And the output will be thousands and thousands of words, got it? Ideogram 0.10 won't have VO2, right? Recraft AI, a great AI, 4 cents per image. Not bad. As you can see, there are various models here, but not too many. I thought there'd be more, honestly. Oh look, you're not limited to Replicate's public models. You can also upload your own custom models using COG and such. They also show us the pricing for each hardware option, okay? In case we want to use different tools. Why do they show us pricing? I guess because some options might be faster than others, right? And that's pretty much it for the platform. We could log in, but without a billing, what's the point? Let's take a quick look at Replicate AI reviews, okay? Let's check out the reviews. They've got 4 stars there. It's worth it, fair price. Hey, I think if that's what they say, well, we're seeing many reviews don't have that. Look, it's cheaper than AWS, Amazon's service, but pricier than other services. Well, it might be something I agree with, you know? In the end, these services are also useful for using through the API, right? Without needing to use or drain our own devices, you know? That's kind of what they allow us to do, isn't it? That access to servers and such. I think it's a good platform, nothing more. It's not a platform I'm very interested in, but okay. We also have different options here to generate images, videos, images, subtitles, fine-tune models. They let us generate speech, music, and text. There's everything, huh? We have it all. Look, they say, thousands of models have been contributed by our community. How does it work? You run the models, train them with your own info, upload them, okay? And not much else, alright? So yeah, that's how this tool works.